Akiaria hindi ya icera mugunda-ini uyu, Gavana Marobe augite mugunda uyu wa Manyanyoni ukoretwo wĩigĩtwo keheri-inĩ kuma mwaka wa 2016, no riu thirikari yake ni kurugamirira uheani wa mugunda uyu kuri igoti ria Kitui niguo kuhotithia igoti riu kwararamio na kugacirithia motungata mario. Oho, Gavana Marobe augite thirikari yake ina mubango wa kuhe igoti riri mugunda nuthu eka o thiini wa icigo ciothe cia bunge kaunti-ini ino niguo gukuhiriria aikari motungata ma igoti.
We are showing Justice Limo and the judiciary the land which was reserved for them when we prepared a power development plan way back in 2016. 60 meters on the frontage of the main road and 120 meters going inside. The land is 0.8 hectares. That translates to about 2 acres. We have agreed our ministry responsible for lands will put in their performance contract to identify at least half an acre in each of our constituencies.
Musirithania wa igoti riri ni acokeirie thirikari ya kaunti ngatho akiuga muhatikano igoti-ini riu ni urahingicaga mihango ya igoti.
The problem we have is the constraint on space. Two of the magistrates serving here in Kitui currently are doing their work or delivering justice in the corridors. So literally, they are dispensing justice in the corridors of justice, in the corridors of the courts.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, titagwo Alice Joki wa Waderi.